How to add half plus 3 over 4? Three fraction, right? Okay, to add this three fraction, we need to equalize the value of denominator of this fraction. So look, here 4, but here 2, but here 2. So we need identical denominator, right? So to do so, we can use our common sense. If I multiply here by 2, then I will get 4, and if I multiply here by 2, then I will get 4. So this is easy. If you multiply by something to the bottom, the same thing will happen to the top. So here 2. Now look, now we are getting here 2 4 plus 2 4 plus 3 4. So the addition of these three fraction will be another fraction, and the bottom will be 4, right, of the new fraction. Now we need to add the top, the numerator, 2 plus 2 plus 3. So we are getting here 4 7 over 4, but this is improper fraction. Look, improper fraction means numerator is greater than denominator. So we need to convert this improper fraction to mixed number. So to do so, what will I do? I will divide 7 by 4. 4 goes into 7, 1. So now I will multiply these two numbers, that is 4 times of 4, and I will subtract 3, and these 3 will be numerator, and this will come here as a denominator. So 7 over 4 means 1 and 3 over 4. This is the mixed number, right? Mixed number. Let me show the second method to add this type of add these three fraction. I hope you need help from me. Look, we need identical denominator, right? And for this, what can I do? I will find out LCD, that is least common denominator. I will find least common denominator by LCM, that is least common multiple. So look, I will show you two methods to find out least common multiples. So look, I will show you the ladder division method. So here we have 2, then here we have also 2, and here we have 4, right? So to find, so I will apply ladder division method. So now I need to take a number here that will exactly divide at least 2 numbers from this series. So if I take 2, then 2 divided by 2, 1, here 1, and if I divide by 2, then I'll get 2, right? Now you will not get any number here that will without 1 that will divide this at least 2 number here. So now I'll multiply these 2 and these 2, that is 2 times 2, that gives me 4. That is, here LCM, least common multiple, is 4. That is LCD, that is least common denominator, will be 4. So to make it 4, what can I do? I can multiply here by 2, and also I can multiply here by 2. If I do something to the bottom, the same thing will happen to the top, right? So now look, now we are getting here 2 divided by 4 plus 2 divided by 4 plus 3 over 4. So 4, and we are getting here 2 plus 2 plus 3. So we are getting 7 over 4, right? And this is improper fraction. So if I convert this improper fraction to mixed number, then I will get this 1 and 3 over 4. This is the answer, right? Okay, this is the second method. Okay, let me show you the third method. Actually, third method is very similar to this method, but I need to show you so that you can have clear knowledge, right? Okay, so what I need LCD, least common denominator. What is least common denominator? Least common denominator means smallest multiple that these three number shared, right? So look, so here we have 2, here 2 and 4. So look, 2, 2, 4. The multiple of 2 is like this, 2 times 1, that is 2, then 2 times 2, that is 4, then 2 times 3, that is 6, and this will continue, right? And the multiple of 4 is 4 times 1. You have to start with 1, that is 4, then we have 4 times 2, that is 8, right? And this will continue. So the multiple of these two we are getting here 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, and this will continue, and the multiple of 2 will be similar to these two, that is 2, 4, 6, and continue. The multiple of 4 is 4, 8. 4, 8. So LCD means least common denominator, that is smallest multiple that these three numbers share. 2 here, 2 here, but here you will not get 2. So 2 is not the smallest multiple. The smallest multiple will be 4, because this 4 is shared by these three numbers, right? So to find out the solution, to add these three fraction, we need to get 4 equal denominator, that is 4. So to make it 4, I will multiply here by 2 and 2, right? The same thing will happen to the top. So we are getting here 4 to 4, and we are getting here 2 plus 2 plus 3, that is 7 over 4, that is 1 and 1, 4, right? 3, 4. This is the answer. I think you have gotten the clear message from me, right? So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.